Alright, so a couple days ago, got this old New Holland machine out of our shop, out from behind it, and it was running good, and then it stopped running right here in the middle of the driveway, and the fuel pump quit. So I pulled it off, and then I went ahead and bought a new one on Amazon. It just got delivered today, so gonna go inside and transfer all the stuff from the old pump onto this new one. Alright, so I took the little connector piece off of the old one, and then I went ahead and put it on the new one, and then for the ground, just gonna put an eyelet on it, and so we can bolt it straight to it. Alright, so I got the little eyelet on there. That's just gonna bolt on to the ground, and then we got our filter that we hooked up, a little piece of pipe with the hose clamp, and the other hose clamp, which is gonna go up to the injection pump. So let's go and install it. Okay, so I got it installed there, got both connectors hooked up as well as the feed line. Now I left the line to go to the fuel filter right there. I left it off so that we can make sure when we turn the key on that the fuel pumps. So let's go ahead and try that. Yep, up. There we saw it sprayed, so it means it's pumping. Okay, so I put that hose clamp on, so we're gonna go ahead and keep pumping it to prime the injection system. Okay, and then run the glow plugs and see if we can get it to start. Okay, so as you saw in that video, started up real nice, so really glad we could find out that was our issue and not have to mess around with the injection pump and all that stuff. And it started right up, so gonna go ahead and get the work done that we have to.